Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the wallpaper section. And as you can see at the very top of it, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. We can choose it from My Wallpaper, so here we've got simply pre-installed ones. Under it we've got our own gallery, so obviously here we've got our own photos, and we've got the wallpaper services. What's more, after scrolling down, and if you will have the internet connection, you can tap on Explore More Wallpapers, and then you will be transferred to the Galaxy themes, I believe. What's more, here you've got the option Apply Dark Mode to the wallpaper, so it means that if you will have the dark mode on, then it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. So let me enter My Wallpapers, and as I said, here we've got some pre-installed ones, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick this one, for example, and as you can see, right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, here we've got the preview. This is how it will look like on the lock screen and here on the home screen, so simply tap on the set on lock and home screens if you are happy with your choice. And as you can see, we've got the information, so we can go back and check, and it is immediately applied to the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.